Good morning, guys. So we didn't need to set our alarms this morning. The builders started work dead on at 8:30, drilling, banging, God knows what. So we've got up, we're going to take our laptops to Red Fox, have some breakfast, do a few bits there, and then head out for the day. Another lovely breakfast at Red Fox. So now heading down to a massage place to book in for a massage for later on today. We spent a bit of time as well planning what we're going to do in Laos, and Laos looks absolutely amazing. We're really excited to be going there, but we're not there for a while yet.
For what massage?
Well, I've never been into a massage place like that, so just looking forward to that later. All booked in for 5:30 tonight. Be nice and relaxed for dinner later. So we dropped off all our stuff, picked up Chesca's camera, and we've headed back to the Artisan Workshop where we were yesterday. I really enjoyed it yesterday, so we thought we'd come back again. Chesca's brought her camera this time. We'll get some more video, have a look around, see if we can take part in some of the stuff as well. So let's go have a look. So detailed. I'd love to be able to do something like that. Okay, so this is the process of how they go from design to carving. So the design is roughly drawn onto a wooden block, and then the design is carved out in a bit more detail. Then the carving is carefully polished to remove any tool marks, and then finally you get to this where it is nicely waxed. So we're now going to go into the stone carving workshop, you can see here. Then you've got these different types of stone. So you've got this one here, which is a soapstone. This one here, which is sandstone. Again, sandstone. Oh, in fact, the last three are sandstone. Just a different colour variation on these. So this is a grey and green. This is a greyish pink. And this is a yellow and iron brown. Absolutely massive. The image he's painting is near enough the exact spot that we were stood yesterday at the sunrise. How spooky is that? So we came here yesterday and I completely underestimated how big it was. We missed off so much yesterday. We missed off all the paintings, a lot of the engraving stuff. We only touched on the metalwork, so I'm glad we've come back today and done a full tour of it. It's absolutely fantastic to see that it's not just bought in stuff that they're selling in the shop. They are actually making everything here and then selling it in the shop. It's fantastic. Loved every minute of it. What I didn't realise is that a lot of the restoration done at Angkor Wat was done by the people here. So they've already got the skills and making the statues and everything, and they applied it to the restoration work at Angkor Wat. Clip earlier with the bloke who's carving out this. And here's the stone artwork that was being carved over in the stone workshop. Need a sugary drink. Cone, please. So I'm going to treat myself to a coffee ice cream. Oh, perfect. Thank you very much. So the funniest thing just happened. I think a group of Chinese tourists who probably haven't seen a Westerner for a long time, or someone with fair skin and red hair. So they, what, 1, 2, 3, 6 of them wanted to have individual photos of Chess. It's basically famous in China. Well, finished my ice cream. We are going to head back now. It's starting to thunder and it's a little bit rainy, so we're going to head back before it gets torrential. We don't get stuck in it. Ba, 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 ba. Well, so I've spent most of the afternoon just relaxing in the apartment whilst Chess has been doing some work in bits. We're now off to go and have our massages, so this could be interesting. Are you looking forward to your massage?
Yeah.
Huh? This is really nice.
Read it. I want you to read what we put.
Well, that was one of the most relaxing massages I've ever had. It was an hour-long aromatherapy massage. And I feel like every knot has been worked out of my body. Jess, how did you enjoy it?
That was amazing. You just like scrunch your back like that and it aches. And
Yeah, it
nothing
doesn't.
there, like, it's just like
We're going to stroll back to the apartment, swap a few bits over, and head out for some well-earned food, I think.
Apparently, because I don't like filming the film.
Inside or outside? So we've had a great day today. We've been to the Artisan craft workshops and I wandered around, had nice food. So now, just heading back. I'm gonna get tucked up in bed. So I'll say night and we'll see you tomorrow.